Namaste. I'm Rosalie and welcome to this guided meditation designed to help you connect to your guides and receive their wisdom, messages, and insights. To begin, lie down and get completely comfortable. Settle in using any props you might need to feel warm, cozy, comfortable. Perhaps a blanket on top of you, a pillow underneath your head, maybe something to cover your eyes, creating a little cocoon for yourself and feeling cradled and held by the support of the earth beneath you. We'll begin with 3 big cleansing breaths. Take a big inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And again. One more, the biggest inhale you've taken all day. Now allow your lips to come together, breathing in and out through the nose. Waves of breath flowing in and out. And imagine every exhale softening and releasing even more. The whole of you softening, letting go. The muscles, the tissues in your body, the bones heavy, settling deep into the earth. Every cell and every part of your body settling down, softening, letting go. Now soften the muscle of your mind. Letting go of any sense of needing to be or do anything else. Gifting yourself these next few moments just for you. Now bring your awareness to the point in between your eyebrows, in the center of your forehead, your third eye. And using all your senses, imagine and sense yourself along the banks of a calm, crystal clear river. Imagine tall trees all around you, birds chirping in the distance. Feel a gentle breeze on your skin and the warmth of the sun all around you. And you notice a canoe waiting for you along the bank of the river. Step inside and sit down. Pick up the wooden oar, feeling it in your hands, and see yourself gliding to the middle of the river. You can hear the water gently lapping on the canoe. And it naturally starts to glide in the currents, flowing downstream, gently, smoothly. There's no effort as you drift down. Might you ask yourself, what is flowing in your life right now? What feels easy, effortless, and fun? What makes you feel like you can be fully yourself, expressing all parts of yourself? Allow any insights, any images to arise. No effort, just notice what comes up for you. Now imagine bumping into a boulder in the middle of the river, and the canoe stops. You feel resistance as the canoe stays put in the flowing river. Might you ask yourself, what might be stopping the flow and ease in your life right now? What is blocking your path, your sense of flow and ease? No need to think about this. Just ask the question and see what arises. Imagine using the oar to push off the rock and glide back to the middle of the river. Once again, see or sense yourself flowing downstream, allowing yourself to be carried by the currents with a sense of ease. Up ahead, you see a bank with someone waving at you. The person looks familiar and welcoming. Imagine gliding up to the bank of the river and until your canoe stops. Stepping out of your canoe, feeling your feet on the grass and the sand, soft earth beneath you. Feel and sense yourself walking up to the person. You look into their eyes. You trust this person implicitly. You know them well, and they know you well. It's a feeling of being home. Might this be one of your guides? You feel love and warmth radiating from this being who hands you a box. You know there's a message inside for you, something you need to know at this juncture of your life. Imagine sitting down on the soft sand in front of your guide and slowly unwrap your gift. What's inside? What is the message from your guide? With your guide sitting in front of you, feel free to ask your guide anything you want. Just let yourself be receptive to however your guide wants to communicate, perhaps through images or words, feelings or symbols. Open yourself up to receive the wisdom of your guide. We will remain here for a few minutes. remain here for a few more moments, absorbing the wisdom, the love, the guidance of your guide. And it's time now to say goodbye in whatever feels appropriate for you. You may like to take a moment to express gratitude to your guide for their love, their guidance, and for the gift just for you. Now take a big inhale. Let it go. And bring your awareness back into your body. And slowly begin to awaken the body. Gently starting to make little movements through the fingers, the wrists, the toes, the ankles. And might you take a moment to recall any messages, any insights or guidance from your guide. Let this fully absorb within your body. And let's seal off our practice today just with a moment of gratitude. Taking a moment to let that feeling of gratitude wash through your whole body. Thinking of things you might be grateful for in your life. Big things or little things. The knowledge that you're never alone. Your guides are always with you. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Once again, my name is Rosalie and I'm so grateful you're here with me on my channel. I release a new video every week, so if you enjoyed this meditation, please consider subscribing to my channel and come back and practice with me again soon. May you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be free. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.